clubs and society? Recording in progress. Tell me, what is a club and society?
Non-profit
It
organization.
is a non-profit organization, and what is its main source of income?
Subscriptions.
Its main source of income is subscription. So the very first thing that we should know in a club and society, first thing that we should know is we should know how to prepare a subscription account. Okay. Subscription
Okay.
account, we should know subscription is their income. So we should know how to prepare an income account. Do you know the format of income account? Do you know the format of income account?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Yes. So this is the things that we write at the side. It is O pop. What do we write? O pop. So there would be balance begin down that would be given to you and balance close down. All this information will already be given to you about the balance begin down and balance close down. You don't need to do anything. On this side you will have bank and on this side you will have income statement. What do you mean by income statement? This would be your income for the year. What do you mean by income statement?
Income for the
Your
year.
income for the year. Now, only for clubs and societies, instead of writing income statement, you will write income and expenditure account. What account you will write?
Income and expenditure account.
Income and expenditure account. So the first thing that you need to prepare is what? Subscription account. Second thing in clubs and societies, what you will do is you will see
Bank.
their receipts and payment account,
Okay.
not bank account. Which account you will see?
Receipts and payments account.
Receipts and payment account. Do you know the rule for receipts and payment account?
No.
No, just 1 minute. Okay. So the second thing that you will see is the receipts and payment account. On this side, you will have receipts, and on the right side, you will have payments. Okay. So whatever money the club has received, okay, whatever money the club has received will come on the receipt side. And whatever money the club has paid, okay, out will come on the payment side. First thing that would
Okay.
be written over here would be the balance begin down. This we will ignore. Over here,
Okay.
you will have the balance closed down. This will be the cash bank balance. What will this be?
Cash bank balance.
Cash bank balance. Apart from this, here you would have subscription. Here you would have income from something. Here you would have shop sales. What you will have? Shop sales. And here there would be
Okay.
all the payments that you would have to see and analyze. Now let's see. Subscription that is written in the receipts and payment account. Where will this go? Where will this go?
To bank and subscription account.
The one subscription that you have on the receipts side, this will go to the subscription account. Which side? Credit side. Are you clear with this?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Then whatever income is over there, over here, okay, whatever you have received and you analyze it as income, this comes in the income and expenditure account. Which account it comes in? Income and expenditure account. This is nothing but like your income statement.
Okay.
Okay. Now again, what will be your step number 1?
To create subscription account.
Subscription account. From subscription account, what will you find out? The amount that the income and expenditure account. What will you find out?
Income and expenditure account. Amount.
The income and expenditure account. So here you will have OPOP. Here you will have bank. This bank, where will you get from?
From our Receipts and payment account.
Receipts and payment account. And what you find out over here will go where?
Income and expenditure
Okay.
amount.
After you prepare the subscription account, you make two statements. The first statement that you prepare is the income statement. Okay. And the second statement that you prepare is the income and expenditure account. I am repeating. After you prepare subscription account, you will prepare two statements. The first statement that you prepare is the income statement. And the second statement that you prepare would be your income and expenditure account. Income statement is prepared for what? To find out profit from shop. What is income statement prepared for to find out?
Profit from shop.
An income and expenditure account is prepared to find out your surplus or to find out your deficit. Income statement is prepared to find out the profit from shop. Income and expenditure account is prepared to find out the surplus or deficit. Surplus is called the profit and deficit is called the loss. Okay? Okay? Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Income
Okay.
statement will start with shop sales. Shop sales would be given in receipts. Okay?
Okay.
From this, you will subtract the cost of sales. Cost of sales is what? Opening inventory.
Opening inventory plus purchase minus closing inventory.
Opening inventory plus purchase minus closing inventory. So shop sales will be here. Cost of sales would be here. This cost of sales, when you subtract from your shop sales, you get an answer which is not gross profit. Okay? Which is not gross profit. From this, you're going to
Okay.
subtract wages of shop staff. What will you subtract?
Wages of shop staff.
Hmm. Then the answer that you get, this is called what? Profit.
Gross profit. Oh, okay.
What is it
Direct
called?
profit.
Profit from shop. Are you with
Okay. So
me?
there is no gross profit.
There is no gross profit. Now your income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account starts with income. First income that you would record over here would be what?
Was from income and expenditure. Subscriptions.
Second income that you will record over here
Profit from
would
shop.
be profit from shop. Third income that you would record over here would normally be given on the receipt side, which would either be donations or profit from competition. Profit from any competition or anything that you have organized, either a picnic, a fair, a competition. Why am I using this word profit? Because you will say fees from competition minus expense from competition. Once you do the sum, this part will get clear. Okay? So you will have
Okay.
all your income over here. 1, 2. Donations also you'll get directly. This part you will get indirectly. Okay? From the
Okay.
income, you will subtract all the expenses. And these expenses would be given to you on the payment side of receipts and payment account. Then you will either get a surplus or you will get a deficit. I am starting with the
Yes.
question directly. So just to tell you that in our normal business, we find what? Gross profit.
Yes.
Here do we find gross profit?
No.
No. Okay, we find what? Profit from shop.
Profit from shop.
Gross profit is normally in which account?
Uh,
Trading account.
okay.
And profit
Hello.
from shop will be in the income statement. Okay.
Okay.
In
Okay.
our normal business, we have income statement. But over here, where we do income minus expenses. But over here, you don't have income statement. You will have income and expenditure account. What will you have? Income and
Income and expenditure account.
Okay. Come on. What will be your first step that you would do? You will make
Make subscriptions account.
subscription account OPOP. Okay. This amount that you find income and expenditure account, this account will go in which account? Income and expenditure account. Second thing that you will prepare would be income statement and
Income
income and
statement.
expenditure account.
Yes,
Simultaneously, you will.
subscription is easy. Income and expenditure is hard.
1 minute. It's very easy. You just need a proper step-by-step guide. Income
Okay.
statement is prepared for what?
To measure the total sales
To
and
find the
expense for
To
the
profit.
find
business.
profit for shop.
Okay. Income and expenditure account is prepared to find what?
A surplus or deficit.
Surplus or deficit. Okay. Income statement is prepared to find out what?
Profit from shop.
Income and expenditure account is prepared to find what?
Surplus or
Surplus
deficit.
deficit.
Surplus or deficit. Profit from shop, how will you get? Shop sales, which will be on the receipt side.
So, miss, everything related to shop will come in
Everything
income
related to
statement.
shop. Very good. So we minus cost of sales. Cost of sales has opening plus purchase minus closing.
Minus closing.
Sales minus cost of sales, this answer is nothing. From this, you have to minus wages of shop staff. You get profit from shop, and this profit from shop you will take to which account? Income and
Income
expenditure.
expenditure.
Then everything else that is there on your receipt side would come over here as income.
Mhm.
Okay, and you would subtract the expenses to get surplus or deficit. Now I have just drilled in the basics. Let's start with this sum and prepare subscription account.
Okay.
Start from this sum and prepare subscription account. Now subscription account means what?
OPOP.
OPOP. Okay, so just for my reference, I write over here. I always write it. It is up to you whether you write it or no. I get confused, so I write it. And then I put these two lines also to know that this is my total line. And again, I write over here balance begin down and balance begin down. This would be here and this would be here. What will be given to you? You will be given a receipts and payment account and some other
Okay.
information. You have to prepare subscription account. So what will you do? You will just highlight subscription. Wherever you find subscription, you will use that. I see only three
Okay.
things related
So,
to
miss,
subscription.
yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
prepare
Miss,
subscription.
can I solve it?
Yeah, please. I'm waiting for
Arrears will arrears will come on the debit side. The first opening date 550.
Okay.
Then the closing date will come on the credit side 950. And subscriptions will
Monday.
write it as bank on credit
Balance
side.
goes down over here. 950 and this 950
Yeah.
will come over here. Then
And subscriptions will write it on credit side as bank 17,700. Now
what
we
is
add it
right
up.
is to find out the amount
This
that
is to find out the
income and
income and
expenditure
expenditure.
account. Okay. So do the total.
18,650 minus 550. So 18,100 will go to the income and expenditure.
Very good. Any difficulty over here, Umer?
No, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, you understood, right? After this, what do you prepare?
Income statement and no, income and
Income.
expenditure.
Income statement. Income statement is prepared to find what?
Profit or from
Profit
shop.
from shop.
From shop. Income statement is prepared to find what?
Profit from
Profit from shop.
Okay. First thing that you start with is what?
highlight everything related to shop.
No. Profit from shop. First thing you start with is
Okay, shop sales.
shop sales. Then
Less cost
Cost
of
of
sales, opening
sales.
inventory.
cost of sales. Cost of sales is what?
Opening inventory plus purchase minus closing inventory.
Okay, fine. Come
That
on.
will give us nothing.
Try. Try finding out the profit from shop. What is your shop sales? I told you this will come on the
6,700.
receipt side.
Yeah.
So it will come on the receipt side. 6,700. Do you have any doubt with shop sales?
No.
No. Now there 99.99% there will always be a twist with the amount of purchases. Okay? The purchases that is given over here, we normally take this and we write this. We do that, right?
Yeah.
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 But 99.99 times, this purchases that is given over here is not purchases, but it is payment to suppliers. What is it?
Payment to suppliers.
Payment to suppliers.
Suppliers. So how will we know what is the purchases they will give you? How will you know whether you have to take this amount directly or indirectly? You will see some information down. Amount owed to shop suppliers. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes. That means you have to find purchases.
Mm-hmm.
That means you have to find purchases. And how will you find purchases? You know how to make a PLC account?
Yeah.
Opening balance which side?
Opening balance credit side.
Yeah. So opening balance credit side. So this is the opening balance.
So miss will minus the closing and add the opening, like
Closing
the
balance
opening for
here.
the first day.
1 minute, Baba. Closing balance here.
Opening
Where will
balance
credit
there.
purchases come?
Credit side. Yeah.
And where will the payment come?
On the debit side.
On the debit side. So
Miss
5,700
5880.
is the payment.
5880.
This is how much?
This, wait, let me get 5700 plus 3.
60.
6050. 5880.
What you can do is closing plus payment minus opening.
Minus opening.
Okay, so I normally remember this as CPO. There is CPU, so CPO. So sometimes they do this triggering with purchases and sometimes they do it with shop sales. So you need to be very careful. It could be CPU or CSU. CSO. So you got the amount of purchases is how much? 5,800. What is opening inventory? What is opening
Closing
inventory?
inventory.
580.
Yeah.
What is
Closing
closing
is 310.
inventory?
310.
310. What is cost of sales?
6150.
I will check. 580
Okay.
plus 5880 minus 310. This is
6150.
6150. Shop sales
Then
minus
we write
cost of
shop
goods will give
wages.
you how much?
550.
This answer is nothing, okay?
Yeah.
What will you minus from this?
Shop wages.
Wages of shop. Just check if
1200.
there are no arrears for wages. Is there any arrears for
No.
wages?
No.
No arrears for wages. So you minus 1200. Are you getting profit
It's
from shop or
650.
loss from
650
shop?
deficit.
No
650
deficit.
loss.
This is profit or
Loss.
loss.
Loss. Loss. Loss. Yeah. Loss.
How much?
Loss for the year. 650.
Loss for the year. No, it is loss from shop.
Oh,
What is this?
loss from shop.
What is this? Loss from shop.
From shop.
Are you very clear?
Yeah.
After this, what do you prepare?
Income and expenditure.
Income and expenditure account. First thing you will write income. What would be the first income? I told you already.
Subscriptions. Subscriptions.
Subscriptions. What would be the subscription?
180.
18100, the one that we found over here.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Other income would be given over here. But is there any other thing that is given?
No.
No. Second income is normally profit from shop. But do you have
But
profit
we have
from shop?
loss. No loss from shop.
No. So loss from shop you will show as expenditure. What word am I using?
Expenditure.
Expenditure would be loss from shop. How much is your loss from shop? 650.
650.
Okay, fine. Other expenses, where will you get it from?
From the payment side.
From the payment side. What would be the other expenses?
Wages,
Wages,
club, club equipment, and
6200.
club expense.
Club expenses, 4300. Now you will see this club equipment.
Mm.
So you have to find what?
Depreciation.
Depreciation of club equipment. How do you know you have to find depreciation of club
Because
equipment?
it's written
Because
there,
I will
club
be giving over
equipment
here
at
valuation.
valuation.
Yeah. So how will you find?
Yeah.
Opening plus purchases
Uh,
minus closing.
Opening plus purchase minus closing.
What is opening?
So 3100
Purchases.
plus 3800. No, 3800.
Purchases
Purchase
is
is 3800.
okay. What is closing?
Minus 5150. 5150. 1750.
So what will this be?
Depreciation on
Of club
club
equipment.
equipment.
How much? 1750.
Yeah.
From this, from income, you will minus your expenditure. You will get surplus or deficit. Where is Umen?
Left.
Because you started speaking a lot.
Yes, won't we write rent? Rent.
Yeah, we'll write rent also. So you're getting surplus or
4800.
deficit?
Deficit.
Of how much?
1800.